Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatchers channel. And today it is BoxyCharm time, and I have this sticker right in front of my BoxyCharm emblem, but that's okay. Guys, I hadn't been doing BoxyCharm videos. There was some sort of misunderstanding. I reached out to the company. They said they were sorry, and we fixed it. And I have the box again. So I'm going to continuously give you some more BoxyCharm goodies to look at. It is the getaway box, okay? So that's their theme. The first thing that they have here inside of the box, I'm just gonna run through them and then I'm going to put them on my face. So we're gonna have like a little tutorial slash show and tell thing. We have the Tarte Be You Naturally eyeshadow palette. It says it's packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 mattes. It says that this palette has everything that you need to create some endless natural looks. From frosty cool pinks to rich bronze and brown tones, this palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. Okay, so I have to admit it is a beautiful palette. It is very, very pretty. Matches my nails, and I cannot wait to dig into the bronzy side. I just have to say that my hand was kind of wet because I was wiping off swatches, so there is a little extra pigmentation on my hand in those swatch photos. Okay, so that lets me know to wet my brush a little bit, and I'm going to get more of a, a payoff with the pigmentation. And I think that someone who's looking for a natural everyday palette, or they don't do too much and they just want something to wear to work, it's a very cute palette. It retails for $36. Alright, the next thing here inside of the box is the Touch in Soul. This one is No Poreblem. I did get something else from this company a few months ago. Some of you guys who get BoxyCharm remember, I think it was a primer. Now the primer didn't work well with my oily skin. This is a flower extract prime essence. So it's like a well, let me read, because I don't even want to make up something. Let's see what they say. It says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence Flower Extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Okay, so I washed my face before I started this video. I only did my brows. I did put on my moisturizer, so let's go ahead and put on the prime essence. And I do have a little not necessarily, well, it doesn't have a color, so it's not a swatch, but I wanted you guys to see the consistency of it. To be honest with you guys, for my oily skin, I have never used anything this like watery, so I'm already speculating that it's not going to be for oily skin, but we shall see. I will say that it made my skin feel smooth though, so that's a plus. This retails for $23. Alright, the next thing in the box is from Dominique Cosmetics. It says that this is the Lemonade Gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky, balm-like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layer it over your favorite lipstick. Okay, so I do have a swatch here to show you guys. For my dark skin tone, it's pretty much like just a gloss. It really doesn't have much pigmentation on my lips. So I think whatever I choose to put on today, maybe I'll just put that over it. So I think this is going to be one of those keep in my purse glosses. Like if you feel like your lips are dry and you need something to put on, you'll keep this in your purse. So for me, that's what it's going to be. And that retails for $17. And I just want to say it smells absolutely delicious. The next product in the box is Skin & Co. Roma. This is Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. And I did need some sort of a cleanser. Alright, because I've been doing a lot of serums lately. I have a lot of lotions and creams and hydration and things like that, but I did not find a real cleanser that works with me yet, so I would love to give this a try. Let's see what it says. It says banish dull skin with Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This luxurious cream formula gently and effectively removes all makeup and impurities. while hydrating dry and sensitive skin. Formulated with pure black truffle extract and sweet almond oil, this gentle cleanser delivers intense hydration while improving skin's resilience and tone. This cleanser is formulated with essential fatty acids to help maintain the skin's natural moisture better. They say that this is $25. And the last thing inside of the box I'm not too pleased with, but hey, to each its own. This one is from Dirty Little Secret. This is a lip liner, and this one says smooth and creamy. This Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. It is not smooth and creamy. I have to be honest with you guys. No offense to the company, but come on. It's not smooth and creamy. And I live in South Florida, and the box just got to me, so you would think even with a little bit of heat, it would have been a little bit creamier, and it was not. It's like I started breaking the pencil, putting it on my hand just to get pigmentation. Now the color is okay. It wasn't as smooth and creamy as they claim. Alright guys, so I've showed you everything that's in the BoxyCharm. If you would like to stay along with me to see what type of look I can come up with using this Tarte palette and maybe the lip gloss, then stay tuned. ladies and gents, that is your completed look using the majority of the stuff in the BoxyCharm. I'm really surprised by the eyeshadow palette. It's very, very pretty. So nice, easy, everyday look. I give it a thumbs up. I really like that one. And you can do some one shadow looks with this palette as well. The lip gloss really surprised me. You saw I only put on a lip pencil. That was by ColourPop, a dark brown. And I just put the lip gloss over it. So some ideas, you can do that. And on my skin tone, it doesn't look too pinky. It looks nice. I think I'll definitely keep it in my purse for this purpose. And when I can't think of something to put on, this will be it. My skin looks very, very nice. So maybe the No Poreblem Prime Essence worked well. It did have my skin feeling nice and smooth. As far as the whip cleanser, I'll definitely give this a try. Possibly tonight because I'm looking for a cleanser. Let me see what else do we have here. I did not use the lip pencil like I told you guys. It was very hard to get a nice swatch on my hand. So I wasn't about to mess up my lips with that stuff. So pretty color, but I wasn't willing to really work with that right now. Overall, the June box is pretty darn nice. If you have the June box, please leave below what you got. If you have a different variation from what I have, if you don't like something, you can let me know that too. Please subscribe to my channel and come back and watch all of my BoxyCharm videos and some of my makeup tutorials. Lots of stuff, over 900 videos on this channel, so why not? I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses